here to discuss physics solution of AIPMT 2015 code F. I am going to discuss from question number 166 to 180. Question number 166 is a wind with speed 40 meter per second blows parallel to the roof of a house. The area of roof is 250 meters square. Assuming that the pressure inside the house is atmospheric pressure, the force exerted by the wind on the roof and the direction of the force will be. Delta P is given by half rho V square, and as we all know, force equals to pressure into area, that is half rho V square and into 250. It will equals to 2.4 into 10 raised to 4 Newton, and it will be in upward direction. Question number 167 is two spherical bodies of mass m and 5m and radii r and 2r are released in free space with initial separation between their center equals to 12r. If they attract each other due to gravitational force only, then the distance covered by the smaller body before collision is. This is the condition before collision and this is after collision. Assume distance travelled by small ball is x and distance travelled by bigger ball is 9 minus x. From s equals to ut plus half at square, we got s is proportional to a and s is inversely proportional to 1 by m. Then S1 upon S2 equals to M2 upon M1. Because acceleration is force, F equals to M, then acceleration is force upon mass. Acceleration is inversely proportional to mass because force exerted by both of them will be same. Here we substitute the value. S1 is x, S2 is 9 minus x, M2 is 5m. Solving this, we get x equals to 7.5r. Question number 168 is a resistance R draws power P when connected to an AC source if an inductance is now placed in series with the resistance such that impedance of a circuit becomes Z, the power drawn will be. As we all know, power consumed by inductor is 0. Therefore, initial power will be power initial equals to I square into R, that is V by R whole square into R V square R. After connecting inductance, power P2 will be I square dash R. I will be V by Z whole square into R. Using equation 1 and 2, we get P will be P R by Z whole square. Question number 169. The ratio of a specific heat Cp by Cv equals to gamma in terms of degree of freedom and is. We all know the formula of gamma in terms of degree of freedom. It is 1 plus 2 by f. Gamma equals to. Here f equals to n, therefore gamma will be 1 plus 2 by f. Question number 170. Figure below shows two paths that may be taken by a gas to go from A to a state C. In process AB, 400 joule of heat is added to the system, and in process BC, 100 joule of heat is added to the system. The heat absorbed by the system in the process AC will be. PV graph is given 2 into 10. Question number 170. In process A, B, C, work done will be half into area under the graph, that will be half into base BC into AB, which is equals to 40 joule. Delta Q is 400 plus 100, 500, and delta U will